Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss different guidelines for preparing major project report. First guideline is student is requested to go through these guidelines carefully and fully understand the format for the report. The draft report will be rejected if deviation are made. Student must ensure that report is in right format. Content should be logically and effectively presented. There should be no grammatical errors, overwriting and corrections. Printing should be neatly done as per the guidelines. Language, sentence formation and formatting should be done accurately. Student will be required to submit minimum 3 copies of corrected draft in case of major project, while 1 copy in case of minor project by each student. The printing should be done only after final corrected draft, which is declared by institute. Second guideline is report is expected to be normally around 6 to 8 chapters, around 50 to 100 pages, excluding appendix and annexures. The normal order of chapter will be introduction, literature review, objectives, theoretical background, methodology and tools. Proposed methodology, it is repeated. You have to keep only one proposed methodology. Expected outcome, result, references, and you can also add future scope. So you can see here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Around 9 to 8 chapters are there. So you have to follow accordingly. Third guideline is cover page of report will be in dark black color, hard bound with white embossed print in case of major project and spiral binding in case of minor project. Fourth guideline is all heading, subheading, running text, font name must be in Times New Roman. So take care about this. You have to use only Times New Roman font, whether it is running text or it is heading. Fifth guideline is the printing of the material inside the report will be font 12. It means running text will be 12 font in size and 1.5 spacing between 2 lines and 2 spaces between 2 paragraphs. Printed on white bond paper, single side print with 1 inch margin on all sides. As you can see in this document, you can see the margin of this document. It is 2.54 centimeter, or you can say 1 inch. You can change margin in the page layout option. You can see in the top here is the margin option, custom margin, and you can set here top, bottom, left, right. So you can see in all 4 cases we have set 1 inch as a margin. Nowhere text or heading, subheading will be underlined or italic. So don't do any underline and italic, whether it is running text or it is heading. Sixth guideline is templates for standard pages of the report may be obtained from department in hard or soft form. Templates are also being emailed for references to all students. Students need to be strictly follow the pattern of font and style of standard pages as per template. So you can ask the report template by your guide. Seventh guideline is list of figures, list of tables, list of symbols, and list of abbreviations and preface will be arranged in same order, appearing immediately after content page. This will be numbered in Roman numerical only. Eighth guideline is all the chapter heading will be in bold, capital font 20. Chapter subheading will be in bold, font size is 16. Subheading will be bold in font size 14. So font size will be 20, 16 and 14, depends on the headline labels. All will be numbered chapter 1, chapter 1.1, 1.2 and subheadings 1.1, 0.1, 0.2 like this. Figures and table will be numbered related to subchapter. For example, figure 1.1, 2.2, etc. In the same manner, table will be numbered 1.1, 1.2, depends on the number of the chapter. If the chapter second, you have to write 2.1, 2.2 accordingly. Figures and table should be appear in the pages where they are referred. Guideline number 9. Colored photographs or tables may be used in the report if required for the sake of clarity. Color printing will not be used in the report anywhere else except for photographs and tables. Use of color in photographs and tables is optional. They may be black and white also. Guideline number 10. Reference will be numbered in brackets, arranged alphabetically, author wise, giving surname of authors followed by initials as they appear in actual publication. Title chapter, if applicable. Publisher's name in italic followed by number of edition and year of publication. If it is a book, journal name or conference detail in italic followed by volume number, issue number, page and year of publication. So you have to follow these formatting guidelines for writing the reference. Here I have written 2 examples, so you can refer this template. Guideline number 11. All references will be necessarily cross-referred in the report text. Guideline number 12. Student will be required to publish minimum 1 research paper in recognized standard national international journal between date of registration to the date of report submission. Documentary evidence of impact factor must be submitted by the student. Guide co-guide may ask for publication of more research paper as per need of research work. No paper required in case of minor project. Third guideline, back cover inside page will contain a jacket in which soft copy of the report in form of CD or DVD will be inserted with title, enrollment number, year, name of a student and department written on top with black marker. 14th and last guideline, if report is not as per above guideline, it may be returned to the student for resubmission. So dear students, these are 14 guidelines. If you have any confusion for any guideline, you can call to me or your guide for more clarification. Thank you for today. Have a nice day.